In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts and graphs in Canva. If you've been looking to enhance your designs by incorporating some data visualization, you're in the right place. We all know that charts and graphs can make information look more compelling and easier to digest. So let's dive into the steps to do just that. First off, you'll want to open up Canva and choose the design you wish to work on. Once you've got your design ready, look to the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find all your tools and elements. Click on Elements. This section is essentially your creative toolbox in Canva, offering everything from shapes and lines to illustrations, and yes, even charts. It's the gateway to enriching your projects with diverse elements. Once you've clicked on Elements, head over to the search bar at the top. Here, you're going to type in the word chart. This will bring up a variety of chart and graph options for you to choose from. Whether you're looking for a bar chart, line graph, pie chart, or even more creative formats, Canva has you covered. Exploring these options can inspire you to decide which type of chart best suits the data and aesthetic of your design. Now that you've found the perfect chart, it's time to add it to your design. To do this, simply select the chart you like. Once you've made your choice, drag and drop it into your workspace. This seamless action allows you to place the chart exactly where you need it within your design. It's all about making sure that the chart complements your layout and enhances the overall message you want to communicate. At this point, you can start adjusting the size and position of the chart so that it fits perfectly within your design. Drag the corners or edges to resize it, and use the alignment tools to ensure it sits right where you intend. Customizing it further can help your design stand out. Next comes the fun part, inputting your data. Each chart in Canva will usually have an edit option or a dedicated section on the side panel for data entry. Click on this and you'll be able to input your numbers, labels, and customize colors to fit your color scheme. This feature is very intuitive, allowing you to turn raw data into a visually appealing story right before your eyes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a chart or graph to your Canva design. With this simple process, you can transform your presentations, posters, and social media graphics by making them not only visually appealing but also informative. Play around with the different chart styles and personalize them until they match your vision. Thank you for tuning in to this quick tutorial. I hope this helps you create designs that stand out and effectively communicate your message. Happy designing!